Dear learners, welcome to this video tutorial to present a basic use of GoBrunch. It is an online tool for online meeting, lecture, webinar. Let's see the learning outcomes. At the end of this tutorial, the learner will be able to log into the home page of GoBrunch, explore different features which are available in GoBrunch, and to see the use of these different features which are available in GoBrunch. Just a brief introduction. GoBrunch is a revolutionary world first online free platform. It allows users to host virtual meetings, live sessions, etc. And it permits users to create webinars up to 500 people without time limit, including recording and replay capabilities. So dear learners, let's move on further. And now we shall see how to start. So first thing is you'll go to Google and type GoBrunch. Once there is GoBrunch, I will sign in as discussed in the earlier tutorial. So this is one way to log in. They give you different options. Hello, so this is how the homepage of GoBrunch looks as it was shown in the earlier video tutorial. So now let us first explore. Now this video tutorial is to explore the different features of GoBrunch. So this is the homepage and let us explore all the features. So if you see at the top, there are three lines. If I click on that, so these are the things which appears: lobby, create and watch, my page, my account, support, tutorials, GoBrunch for business, abouts and sign out. So if I click on lobby, let's explore lobby. Now this will give you a view as to what all things are already done. For example, my webinars. These are the webinars which were scheduled by me earlier. So it will give you a view. So lobby is like a ground platform, or it's a kind of view which gives you the available features which are already there. Let's explore my page. So my page can be customized depending upon the requirement, and that's me. Brunch lives, the best live experiences, and different icons are available over there. Then my account. Now my account, the basic features, for example, you can customize. If you want to change your password, your new password, your old password, you can customize and you can update your profile according to your requirement. Support. Now GoBrunch is a very user-friendly system. So if you click on support, there will be someone to help you out throughout the procedure. So please let us know how we can help you. Check also our documentation and tutorials. They do have very good documentation and they do have good tutorials. So if a learner is using for the first time, he or she can click on the tutorials to become familiar. You can also put a question, your query, and you can send and you will get the reply from the help desk. So it's a very learner-centric, user-friendly method. So as I mentioned, there are some good tutorials, GoBrunch support. So if a learner is using for the first time, he or she will be getting some good tutorials. You can listen and you can practice so as to gain a good hold. And GoBrunch for business, if your intention is to use it for some business purpose, you can customize. GoBrunch features are 100% free, as I mentioned, but they have created an exclusive plan for organizations looking for dedicated support. So if the requirement is from a business point of view, you can customize it according to your convenience. Right now, I'm demonstrating for the simple academic purpose. So in that case, the basic features are sufficient. When I click on it's about the basic features of GoBrunch. It is the world first free platform, as I mentioned in my introductory PowerPoint presentation. I had discussed about these features. So let's go back to lobby. So this is all about the basic ground level features. Then if you click back, these are the different options which are available in the GoBrunch homepage. You can start a meeting, as I showed you in my earlier tutorial, how to schedule a meeting in GoBrunch. Then they have an option to create your webinar. So if you have to create your webinar, so this is the method. So you need to name your webinar. I can say webinar on ICT tools for teaching learning. Then description, I can take the same as description. Meanwhile, you can customize according to your requirement. Okay, now this webinar is just a test. So I can click. Now here by default, they have some pictures. You need to select one of them because you cannot proceed without selecting. So choice is yours. For example, they have given different good examples and pictures of the world famous landmarks and like Colorado Convention Center, uh, Vancouver Convention Center, Pan Pacific. Let me select Pan Pacific. Maybe you can select whatever you want, not a big deal. Accordingly, you can name because you need to name. So you can give a name. I will meanwhile keep it same. Live session, you have a choice, live session or recorded session. I have the video. Language, you need to select a language. I will prefer English. You can select whether you want to keep it open to public or you want to keep it for private. Let me keep as open to public. Now, this is very important. You need to schedule a webinar. So you need to give the date. And at the same time, you need to also specify for how much hour from this time to this time. So let me give the date as 20th April. So you can customize your time range. I will select as from 8 p.m. minutes. I can say 8. It is AM PM, so AM PM. Then I can select 8 and I can keep it for 30 minutes. So again, PM. So I'm specifying from 8 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. You need to specify. Then maybe I can use it for a number of different number. Like by default, they have different templates. It could be for 10 people, 72, 38, 36. I can select for 10. So here I have selected. Then this is a breakout session, record my session. If I click on this, I cannot click on this. So you can select either one of them. So this is a breakout session or this is a record my session. I will record my session. I can make my replay video publicly available at what time. So you can customize your date and you can select according to your convenience. So it could be different. It could be, I can give maybe as 23rd April. You have the option to add other presenter. So you can select someone from here. It could be anyone. So depending upon the requirements and all, you can always customize. If I click further, then it says to add another session. So like this, you can go on adding another session. So when you click on the create events, so yes, that's it. So successfully created. Would you like to go to the event now? Yes. So just to get a view as to how it looks. So webinar, see it's ready. And you can see this event will start at on 28th April at 8 p.m. That's it. And since I had selected 10, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this was a video tutorial in which we have explored. Let us move on further. Now when I click on OK, so there are different icons which are available. For example, yeah. Now let us see some more features. For example, here, yeah, let us see some more features. So you can see here at the top, there is an example. There is an icon for presenter, broadcast. You can put questions. You can enable, disable your camera. If I click on files, when I click on files, it asks for a file which I can upload. So if I click on plus file, it will ask for a document which I can browse. So I can select a document from my desktop. For example, it's a PDF. So when I click on open, so this will get uploaded. You can see here it's getting uploaded. So it's a PDF. It's a simple text document which I can upload. So I'm just preparing my webinar, though it is scheduled for a particular time. So you can see there is a PDF. In this way, I can schedule and I can customize it. Then if I click on mic, it will enable, disable. When I click on screen, there is an option for screen. So you have option to upload a PowerPoint or a PDF presentation. You can share your screen. Then it's very user friendly in system. So these are the basic features of the GoBrunch, and we have seen how to explore the basic features of GoBrunch. So dear learners, thank you so much for your patient listening, and this was a tutorial in which we have seen the basic features of GoBrunch and the methods to use them. In the coming video tutorial, we will see how to capture and share it. So thank you so much. Remember, change is mandatory, survival is optional, so we need to change and constantly update ourselves as we learners and we teachers are lifelong learners. Thank you.